MLGO stock analysis. This is the right time to buy. I'm going to be answering everything around that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Ultimately, looking at MicroAlgo, well, it's a $1.09, and that's right into the yawn, but it's just like a bearish market. Not trying to be a hater or anything, you know. I've done 41,000 videos over 5 years. I have seen what's making me money and what's not. MLGO specifically, just a bearish market. All that to say, mate, like, I'm gonna just put this thing down here, and in this particular instance, if there is some sort of like a confirmation, only then I'm gonna look to take it further down. Randomly selling ain't just gonna be happening. Like, it's very like straightforward, you know. And if my rules are not met, like, yes, I'm not gonna be selling. I mean borderline, if I see breaks about 130, then it's going to be a whole different play, hoping to take it further up. But I guess this is just the bearish range that I'm currently in. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.